Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Amin. Permutations lecture 2. Be soft. Permutations with repetitions. Don't use NPR for the repeated or identical objects, because NPR is used for distinct objects only. Formula: if P, Q and R objects are repeated in n objects, then to arrange all objects use this formula: n factorial over P factorial, Q factorial over R factorial. Example: find the number of arrangements of all the letters of the word aggregate. Answer: since we have 9 letters in the word aggregate, therefore we should write 9 factorial here, and we must divide 9 factorial by the factorial of the repeated letters. Like 2 factorial is for 2A's, this 3 factorial is for 3G's, and this 2 factorial is for 2E's. So we always divide our total by the factorial of the repeated letters or objects. Example: given aggregate, arrange 8 letters from the 9 letters. Now this is one of the most important question, since we don't have to arrange all, so be careful while solving questions of these types. Method: omit an A first, a G and a E one by one to arrange 8 letters from 9 letters. When you have to arrange some letters from all letters in which some letters are repeated, so you have to omit the repeated letters one by one. So when you omit 1A, so you have 8 factorial here, and you have 3 G's and 2 E's. So when you omit 1G, again we have 8 factorial here, because the total was 9. So we are sure we have 2 A's, 2 G's and 2 E's in the 8 letters. When you have to omit 1 E, so you are sure that you have 2 A's here and 3 G's here. At the end you need to add all the answers. Leave the arrangements of the identical objects, because there is always just one way to arrange all or some identical objects. So this is very important. Never use NPR for the identical objects. For example, we have 5 A's, and question is requirement: arrange all 5 A's, then arrange 3 A's, and then arrange just 1 A. Answers: there is only one way to arrange 5 A's from 5 A's. 5 A's from 5 A's just one way, because 5 factorial over 5 factorial makes 1. That's the reason. Wrong approach. Never use 5P5 to arrange 5 A's from 5 A's, because NPR is not used for identical objects. 3 A's from 5 A's. There is just one way to arrange 3 A's from 5 A's. Wrong approach. This is the wrong approach if you would write 5P3. So don't do this, because NPR 5P3 is only for distinct objects. One way from 5 A's, just one way only. And this is the wrong approach, 5P1. So don't use this thing. Don't use 5P1. Okay. Now example: what if we have 3 letters, 2 A's, a B and a B? Requirement: arrange all 3 letters. Now this is the question, you have to arrange all 3 letters. So since we have 3 letters, so 3 factorial should be in numerator and 2 factorial must be in denominator for 2 A's. And these are 3 possible arrangements. The answer is 3, and these are 3 possible arrangements. So when letters are repeated, then the arrangements normally reduced. The arrangements are reduced, in fact. This is the question. We have to arrange all 6 letters. So 6 factorial is for 6 letters, and this 3 factorial is for 3 A's, and this 2 factorial is for 2 B's. Be sincere with everyone. I will discuss more concepts of permutation in my next lecture. Allah Hafiz.